everyone. Today we are going to see who's the best chef. Introducing.
I'm Stephen from Little Aussie Rockets.
I'm Mum from KeepingEveryoneAlive.com.
And I'm hungry.
Very good. So basically the rules are pretty simple. We have 3 stoves. Each has an advantage, each has a disadvantage. We're going to play paper, scissors, rock to see who gets which stove, and probably more interesting, we'll be playing paper, scissors, rock to see who gets what kind of fire lighting implement. We have the blowtorch, we have a standard lighter, and we have a flint, and to make it a little bit fairer, some cotton to go with the flint.
And I am the judge, along with my sister.
And judging is probably the greatest food critic alive today. My 2 children.
Okay, 2 children, out of the way. We need to cook.
We need to cook. All right, guys. Paper, scissors, rock. First scissors and then show.
Okay.
Ready? Paper, scissors, rock. Boom, boom.
Oh, God.
Ah, yes.
No!
Yes.
Oh, you're supposed to.
Yes. Okay, you two. Duke it out.
Oh, no. Okay.
Paper, scissors, rock.
Paper, scissors, rock.
No.
Oh, Johnny.
No.
Which one are you going to go, Johnny? Oh, Johnny.
Oh, I can't use a lighter anyway.
Well, you'll learn to use a flint today. This is just how I hoped it would go. It's terrible. Now, paper, scissors, rock to see which stove we get. Ready? Paper, scissors, rock. Boom. Oh, hang on. No, we go again. Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock. Oh,
Yes,
wifey.
I won!
Wifey, which
I
one
don't
are you
even
going to
know
do?
which one I want. I want the K.
You want the K? Okay, you're going to K. Okay, Johnny, here we go. Paper, scissors, rock.
Do you want to boil pasta or cook?
Or cook. It's up to you.
I'm gonna cook.
Okay, so I get the new stove that is actually I built this morning and have never used, so it might not even work. That's only fair.
Oh dear.
Okay, so I don't even know where the sticks go. I'm oiling the stuff. Right.
Just pretend we're on a desert island.
Okay.
Keep going. That's close. Okay, you've got to press hard. Okay, it's not about.
You go on mine.
I'm sorry. I should have given you. How about we swap?
Yeah!
Okay, I'll be really kind. Here you go, my dear. Technology.
Okay.
Gotta press it.
Oh.
Wow. But what's wrong with
Did it
It's still
actually
not
light?
lit. You're going to do it again, you goose. What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
It's not lit. Okay, it is
It is
lit.
lit now.
Again.
Why is it soaking?
Like that? No.
Okay, I'd get some sticks and stuff.
Yeah.
No, you get your own sticks. Feed it.
Oh, I thought you were helping me.
No, I'm not helping you. I've helped you already.
It's out already.
Have lots of sticks ready to go.
This stove is on fire.
No, my-
How was I going to have any chance with this? We should have used toilet paper.
That's so cool.
Wow. You got your fire economist.
Oh, that
Wow, it's not going to melt the tent, is it?
Nah, well if it does, we'll get another one.
The judges are getting so hungry we're eating each other.
Oh no.
It's like Lord of the Flies all over again. No.
Oh, but it's not sizzling. Why is it not sizzling?
'Cause it's
Because
not
I
up to
forgot to put
temperature
any more sticks in.
You've got to keep feeding it to you.
Well, at least I won't burn it today.
It'll works.
oh, we got fire.
Oven.
Are you going to come and toast your marshmallows? Are you?
I'm stealing Daddy's firework.
But here you go.
Okay,
Start.
thanks.
You really could put a little bit of salt and oil with that, you know? To prevent it sticking to the
It
bottom.
wasn't actually boiling. You just threw it in there.
Well,
I was cooking this. Hey? Hey?
yeah, I just sort of, you
Go,
know,
go, go, go.
multitasking just in case the baby wakes
No,
up.
no. No. Go back to your own thing. I'm just wondering where
baby learns.
the lid is.
We didn't bring the lid out. Erin, do you want to go and pick us some little cherry tomatoes? They could go well in this.
The dog is hot.
Oh, don't tell me.
What are you drinking?
Nothing.
He's not, he's just chopping something on it.
Yeah, from your angle, it looks like he's chopping down the playground.
There you go.
Thank you.
I think yours is cooked.
I think ours are cooked.
It's cooked.
I think they're all actually cooked.
They're all cooked. The trick with these stoves is to be patient at the beginning. Wait until you actually get the stove up to running temperature, and at that point it just becomes really easy.
Slightly too watery.
What?
10. I 10 out of 10. A 10 and a 10 makes 20.
How does one end this?
Yeah, it's just a long pause, then a
Long
fade
pause,
to black.
awkward silence.
Says at the end across the and then
So at the end, Jonathan's dish was deemed the winner, as it was the one that was completely eaten. Thanks for watching.